This year, our country celebrates its 250th birthday, growing nearly 100 stores in 14 states across the country. And all combined is truly a reason to party. So now we invite you to get your t-shirts and to grab your free coffee and join us at 8:30 for our ribbon cutting ceremony, including our signature Hoagies for Heroes build competition between local first responders.
All right, we're going to keep this moving since we got a full house today. All right, I'm going to pass this one over to one of our great general managers of the area of Kentucky, Steven.
Good morning, Mount Washington. That was weak. Let's do it again. Good morning, Mount Washington. My name is Stephen Ingalls, and it's my honor to extend a warm welcome to the state and local officials, members of the media, community partners, family members, and friends that are here with us today. 2026 is a big year not only for us at Wawa, but also our country. This July 4th marks the 250th birthday of our nation with the signing of the Declaration of Independence in our hometown of Pennsylvania. Yeah! Wawa's history in American business starts more than 220 years ago with our founding family roots in iron, textile, and later in dairy farming. This led to a dairy with a strong reputation for quality products and door-to-door milk delivery. Business known for outstanding customer service, from there, times changed, and our founder, Graham Wood, opened the first Wawa market in Folsom, Pennsylvania in 1964 to meet an ever-changing needs of the community. Today, we continue to be family and associate-owned and continue to celebrate the American dream by fulfilling lives every day. Our founder's vision of friends and neighbors serving friends and neighbors is stronger than ever. 50,000 associates at over 1,200 stores across 13 states and counting. Yeah, when I started, we only had 6 states, so 13. And with every new store this year, we plan to party and commemorate the day with celebration of community, for the community, and with the people of each community. Now, to get this party started, I'd like to introduce our store team who will be here to serve your community 24/7 starting today. Yeah. Our general manager, Randy Ward. Our assistant general manager, Owen. Our food and beverage manager, Monica. Customer service supervisor, Shelly. And our team supervisors, Vanessa, Brian, and Logan. Let's have another round of applause for these guys. And now please welcome one of our senior GMs and the GM that opened the very first store in the Louisville market, Rebecca Weintraub.
Good morning, everyone. So now that you've heard about our flock, I'd like to thank some of our wingmates in the community who have helped us open this beautiful new store. First, I'd like to thank the City of Mount Washington, their administration, and staff members for supporting us and welcoming us into the community. Woo! Awesome. And now, if we can get a drum roll for our amazing mayor who's going to come and speak with us today, Stuart Owen.
Thank you. How awesome is this? First, welcome to Mount Washington. We're glad that you're here. Thank you. And the history of Wawa. They were talking about the dairy opening and being in operation since 1902. That's amazing. So that's really cool. And opening the first store 60 years ago, or over 60 years ago. So we're glad that you're here in Mount Washington. We're excited. You bring new opportunities for the community. And that we welcome. So thank you so much. Thanks for coming out. Our team is here to support you. If you're with Mount Washington, raise your hand. I know that we have several team members here, including some of our council members. So we all are here to support all of them. So thank you for being here, and we appreciate the opportunity that you bring to the city. So, thank you.
One more round of applause for Mayor Stewart Owen. I would also like to thank our Bullitt County state and local officials for their support. Every new store we build is an investment into the community that we serve, and our growth impacts local suppliers, builders, contractors, and the vendors who help make us stores a reality. To build each store, Wawa invests more than $7.5 million and employs on average 140 contractors and local partners. I'd like to acknowledge some of our development partners that are here working on this specific project today. The River City Builders, and GLR. Thank you all. Community is always at the heart of everything we do. When we open our doors at a new store, we open our hearts and help our community. With the generosity of our customers, the Wawa Foundation supports national partners in store fundraising campaigns, benefiting Special Olympics, the American Red Cross, Children's Miracle Network, USO, Breakthrough T1D, Blood Cancer United, and Feeding America. Many of those partners are here with us today, so let's give them a round of applause as well. In addition, the Wawa Foundation supports thousands of local nonprofits throughout our communities. Since 2014, Wawa and the Wawa Foundation have donated more than $200 million to thousands of nonprofit partners across the country. And now I'd like to turn it over to the general manager of the store, Randy.
So the next step is our Hoagies for Heroes. So I'm excited to kick off our Hoagie Heroes building contest today. As the teams have taken place behind their tables, let me give you some background. At Wawa, we hold a special place in our hearts for the first responders of our communities and those who are serving our communities with important services. We have the utmost appreciation for all they do, and we show that through the Hoagies for Heroes signature initiative at every one of our grand openings. The contest gives a way to recognize local heroes, to donate to local causes, and to have fun at the same time. Today we have representatives from local police and fire. The goal of each team to build as many Hoagies as possible in 2 minutes. The winning team will earn all important bragging rights and a trophy, and Wawa will donate $1,000 to each team's charities of choice. So everyone wins. Mount Washington Police will be building on behalf of Mount Washington Community Ministries. Mount Washington Fire will be building on behalf of Crusade for Children teams. Please take place behind your tables. Wait for both Wawa team captains to signal to their teams and are ready.
Okay, everybody, we're all going outside now for the Hoagie competition. But for those of you who have been here all morning, the t-shirts are going to be distributed now, and our lovely Tammy will be doing that. So come on outside.
It's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down.
All right, quick start. We got 2 ready already.
Get your chance, do your
I don't
dance.
see any in the box for the fire department. The police have 2 done already. Come on. All right, you guys are winning. All right, good job, police department. They are fast responders. All right, fire department, slow and steady. Slow and steady. They look good. They look good. Looks like the fire department's catching up. What happened, guys? We're slowing down. We're slowing down. Oh, it's the cheese guy. Hold him up. Carol! Have a lot. 45 seconds. 45 seconds. We have 45 seconds. Can we fill the first box? Come on, guys. Does everything have to be on every hoagie? Okay. All right. That's the rules. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. We got 6 there. Let's see. Oh, that's smart. You guys are smart. Bring it. Work closer. I think 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, hands up. Hands up. All right, let's see. Let's see, how many do we have here? We have 13. What do you got, Christina? 17 to 13. Our police department are the winners. Congratulations. All right, we're gonna present the trophy, and as we're doing that, we're gonna congregate to the front of the store after this and have our ribbon cutting and first store picture. Congratulations.
Those pictures will never come out, they're so bright.
All right, let's head over to the front of the store here.
It looks like Randy's ready on 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Milwaukee, you are open! Thank you all so much for coming out. Thank you to the mayor, thank you to our police and fire department, thank you everybody for being involved. We will not be closing again, so enjoy